Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design here on YouTube. That's Melissa, who's Moe Creations, Lisa, who UCYIMADIVA, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards. And I'm also joining hashtag SatMoreMakes, that's Jill. That's Jillian Norwood Designs, Greenwood Girl Cards. So with 2crafters to one design, they give you a prompt each week and they ask you to create something using that prompt and then load it up on Saturday to share with everyone. For Jill, with hashtag SatMoreMakes, she wants you to craft during the week and then share your crafty items on Saturday morning for everybody to enjoy. So I followed the prompt from 2crafters1design, and theirs was flowers this week. So I couldn't miss this one. I love creating with flowers, but I decided to do something a little bit different. So I went to Dollar Tree and I have a picture of it because I'm not savvy enough to insert a picture. I'm going to show you the picture on my tablet. So I found this item. I hope you can see it clearly. It was just a hanging little decorative piece and it said blessed. I wanted to recreate that. I just, for some reason, I like the wood, this is just a picture. It's not real wood. And create something a little bit different with that. So let me show you what I used. So from Spellbinders, I use these really pretty Color Essential Gems. They're the opal ones. So I have 2 sheets in there. I just combined one, so that's why it looks like it's a ton in there. And then from Hobby Lobby, the Paper Studio, I'll use these leaves, which I really like. And then I went to my local craft store and I purchased these flowers from Little Birdie. Aren't these adorable? Super cute. So let me share with you what I did. I made it over. Did a redo. And what do you think? I think she's beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I eliminated the hang, and I'm just going to put a picture hook on the back and just hang it up using the picture hook. But it was super simple to do. One of the things I had difficulty with was the design they had on here, the florals. It was stapled to this product. And so when I went to pull it off, of course it left the marks from a staple. So my plan was to have this really under here straight, and I just kind of had to adjust what I wanted to do. And I like that it's a little off center, and of course this one is too. And then I got the little gems on there. So let me know what you think. Please watch everyone's video that are hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. Just support all of the crafters out there trying to have a good time and share their beautiful designs. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.